The moment I'm sworn in, the persecution stops and the weaponization ends against your industry. And as long as I'm in the Oval Office, Elizabeth Warren and her goons, and she's very nasty to you, she hates your people, she hates everything about you, will keep their hands off Bitcoin. They're going to keep their hands off crypto. They're going to let it grow. We're going to let it grow. On day one, I will fire Gary Gensler and appoint a new SEC chairman. I didn't know he was that unpopular. Let me say it again. On day one, I will fire Gary Gensler and will appoint a new SEC chairman who believes America should build the future, not block the future, which is what they're doing.
So not only is Donald Trump going full bull Bitcoin mode, fire Gary Gensler, first day of office, but he's pledging to form a Bitcoin reserve using 210,000 Bitcoins seized by the Department of Justice as the core of a new strategic national Bitcoin stockpile.
But for too long, our government has violated the cardinal rule that every Bitcoiner knows by heart. Never sell your Bitcoin. Never sell your Bitcoin. And so, as the final part of my plan today, I am announcing that if I am elected, it will be the policy of my administration, United States of America, to keep 100% of all the Bitcoin the U.S. government currently holds or acquires into the future. We'll keep 100%. I hope you do well, please. This will serve in effect as the core of the strategic national Bitcoin stockpile. As you know, most of the Bitcoin currently held by the United States government was obtained through law enforcement action. You know that. They took it from you. Let's take that guy's life. Let's take his family, his house, his Bitcoin. We'll turn it into Bitcoin. It's been taken away from you because that's where we're going now. That's where this country is going. It's a fascist regime.
On top of that, with Trump being anti-CBDC, now it makes perfect sense why Ripple will be launching their high-quality US dollar stablecoin towards the end of this year. So this is why tons of people out there are saying that XRP will be the bridge currency for every stablecoin globally. So not only is Trump saying that the United States will be the crypto capital of the planet and the Bitcoin superpower of the world, this is just the tip of the iceberg of what we're going to be covering in this video summarizing Donald Trump's recent speech. At the Bitcoin conference, we're looking at the Bitcoin to the US dollar price chart in comparison to the past, and why this is lining up for the perfect opportunity for you to make as much money as possible this entire bull run. But we're also talking about the XRP to the US dollar price chart and Bitcoin stock to flow rainbow indicator that tells us with pinpoint accuracy how long we have until a massive breakout for XRP. Plus, you guys are going to learn the #1 strategy I'm leveraging to earn an extra 1,000 to 2,000 XRP per day with the top play to earn XRP game. And if you watch towards the end of this video, there's an altcoin that's launching in like a day or two that last bull run did nearly $500 million market cap, and they're relaunching. And there's tons of people on Twitter talking about this, so you guys definitely don't want to miss this one, especially when we take a look at the total altcoin market in comparison to the past. In the most likely case scenario leading into election, a leaked document from the Democratic National Committee that's sharing their game plan moving forward for Bitcoin, and the reason why this is going to be the most bullish year that you do not want to miss. So if you guys are feeling blessed, comment 777. If you're feeling bullish, comment 777. And if you're going to become the first millionaire in your family tree, you know what to do. Confirm it by tapping the subscribe button. Let's run it.
I'm laying out my plan to ensure that the United States will be the crypto capital of the planet and the Bitcoin superpower of the world, and we'll get it done. If crypto is going to define the future, I want to be mined, minted, and made in the USA. It's going to be. It's not going to be made anywhere else. And if Bitcoin is going to the moon, as we say, it's going to the moon, I want America to be the nation that leads the way, and that's what's going to happen. That's why I'm proud to be the first major party nominee in American history to accept donations in Bitcoin and crypto.
All right, bull runners, welcome back. So this is extremely good news for the entire crypto market, regardless of whether Trump is doing this just to gain votes. Obviously, he's doing it for donations. I talked about that in a previous video, how all these big companies in the crypto space would want to donate to somebody that is pro-crypto because he would pass laws, rules, regulations that would be pro Bitcoin and pro altcoins as well too. When he says others, that's what he means. So his speech recently just covered strategic Bitcoin reserve, not selling any Bitcoin, firing Gary Gensler. That's honestly one of the most bullish for the Ripple XRP community. Clemency for Ross Ulbricht, banning CBDCs, protecting self-custodying miners, providing electricity in mass for miners. He said Bitcoin to the moon. So this is very, very bullish because over the next few minutes, we're going to back it up by facts on the chart. So we look at fundamental and technical analysis, and then we see who's telling the truth. Is Donald Trump telling the truth? Is this going to be a bullish year, or is the economy going to implode? Is it going to absolutely collapse? At some point it may, but right now let's look at this. The Bitcoin stock to flow rainbow indicator. I covered this in the previous video, and this shows you guys a color code for when Bitcoin halves and how many days until the next halving. So when we go from dark purple to orange, that's when Bitcoin's halving takes place. And so once we flip to orange, we see this consolidation period that's happening right now, this range-bound sideways trading action. We saw the same thing happen back from the 1st of May until the 1st of November. We started to break out in October and November. Right when we went from orange to yellow, we absolutely erupted. And then from yellow to green was the final blow off top. So if you look at the arrow on the left-hand side of the screen, from orange to yellow was the biggest rally of the bull run, and that was wave 3 of the Elliott wave. And so right now, what we're doing is corrective wave 4 in the Elliott wave, where we saw wave number 1 out of the bear market bottom right here for blue. Once we went to purple, this was corrective wave 2. And then once we turned to orange, this was impulsive wave 3. And then corrective wave 4, if corrective wave 4 is in right now, wave number 5 is really the final wave for this bull run. Now that could take us, I think, into September of 2025. So we may see something like this happen. Again, this is all speculation. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Crypto is very risky. You could lose money in these markets. So you should always do your own research and watch these videos only for educational purposes only. If we see Bitcoin start to break out in Q4 of 2024, we could push upwards of 80, 90, maybe even $100,000. And then I believe there would be some form of consolidation leading into 2025 as the election hype dies off of Donald Trump and all the Bitcoin speeches he's going to be doing the rest of this year leading up to election as he goes on his massive campaign tour. And then if he gets into office, it's going to be a absolute parabolic blow off top for wave number 5. And then going into 2026, I would expect the crash to happen very similar to what happened right here when we went from green to light blue and then ultimately dark blue for the bear market bottom. Now, the reason why I say this is because that is exactly what we saw the last bull run, where we found the bear market bottom right here in blue. We rallied up for the 1st of June of 2019. Corrective wave number 2 was COVID. Wave number 3 was the most impulsive, all the way upwards of 64, 65K. Corrective wave 4. And then wave number 5 was the double top before we saw this A, B, C corrective wave to the downside. If we go back to the bull run cycle before then, we saw the exact same thing happen again, where wave number 1, it could be right here, it could be right here when we went from blue to purple. So let's just say this is wave 1, corrective wave is 2 here when we went from orange. Then we went from orange to yellow. We went absolutely parabolic for wave 3, all the way up to $4,800. Then we saw this massive correction down to $2,900 for corrective wave number 4 on the monthly. And then wave number 5 was all the way up here for this parabolic blow off top. Then we saw this A, B, C corrective wave down to the bottom. So all we're doing right now is just repeating the same cycle, just some minor differences here, where wave number 1 was during blue, corrective wave number 2 for purple, wave number 3 could either be in right now, or we may be forming wave number 3, and then corrective wave number 4 is going to be much higher than where we are right now. And then wave number 5 leads us into Q4 of 2025. I don't know exactly how high the markets are going to go for Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoin market. Nobody does, but it's very clear that where we are in this macro market cycle on the monthly chart for Bitcoin right now is comparable to where we were right back here between the 1st of May until the 1st of November of 2020 before we went to yellow and went absolutely parabolic. Very similar to where we were right here between wave 2 and wave 3 when we went from orange to yellow and we went absolutely parabolic right after that. And one thing that's even more interesting than Bitcoin's price chart is the XRP to the US dollar price chart, and how Bitcoin's stock to flow indicator gives us uncanny accuracy that is unmatched to tell us when XRP is most likely to break out within a few month range. So if we look on the monthly and we look at the color code here, where the top of the market on the right hand side of the screen on the 1st of January for that 2018 top was light green, then we went to light blue, and we were in a bear market by the time we hit light blue. Very similarly on the left-hand side of the screen, when we were from yellow to green, we were in a bear market, then light blue. and to dark blue was the bottom of the market. Now on the right hand side of the screen, we saw COVID. So this was a black swan event, a little bit of a fluke, but it's pretty similar here in terms of how when we go from purple to orange when Bitcoin halves, XRP started to break out from this descending resistance right here and held it as support. Then when Bitcoin turned from orange to yellow, XRP did too, and XRP rallied upwards of 70 cents all the way from 22 cents. So it absolutely exploded. So that's what I feel is coming next for XRP, because we are about to go from orange to yellow. We are right at this descending resistance right now at 59 cents at the apex of this macro symmetrical triangle that XRP has been in since the peak of the last bull run. So when XRP breaks out, I would expect something similar to happen between the 1st of August to the 1st of December of 2020. And if we look back to the bull run before then, it's virtually identical with some minor differences here. But as you can see, the top of the market on the 1st of December of 2013. So we're going back with over a decade of data here where every single one of these candles is a month. So this is a long time frame here where we go from yellow to light green. On the 1st of December 2013 was the top. Very similar to how we went from yellow to light green was roughly the top during April until 1st of September of 2021. Then we go into a bear market. Similar here, we go into a bear market, light blue to dark blue. And then from dark blue to purple, we start working our way to the apex of this symmetrical triangle. Then from purple to orange, we break this descending resistance. We hold it as support. And then right at this apex, when we go from orange to yellow, XRP finally bottomed out, shake everyone out, and then rally on out of here. So maybe we see something similar for that, where XRP sees a micro breakout, rallies up above this descending resistance, and then comes back down to backtest and consolidates at it. Maybe it comes back down to 50 cents. I would not be surprised from that. And then Ripple comes out with a stable coin, starts bridging the cross-border liquidity for all these currencies. Whoever's in office, if it's Trump, it's going to be bullish for the crypto market. And then XRP starts to absolutely explode, similar to what happened to every single bull run for XRP. And there's not that many. I mean, there's only 2 bull runs for XRP. So XRP is 2 for 2. Will it be 3 for 3? And will we see something similar to what happened back here in 2021, or even more parabolic from 2017 until 2018? Either way, that's why I am so bullish on XRP, because I think this will be one of the best trades in crypto out of the large cap projects. So I've received a lot of messages from people asking, what am I doing to earn an extra 1,000 to 2,000 XRP per day? Again, no guarantees, but I made a video about this a few weeks ago. This project was at $53. Right now it's at $93 at only a $2 million market cap. And I've been earning crypto rewards every single day by playing this game. I'm at about 133 right now. So if we take 133 and multiply that by 93, that's about 12,369 in crypto rewards. Now, obviously, I'm not guaranteeing that you're going to earn the same amount because my results are going to be different. But if you want to discover how you can earn more crypto in less than 10 minutes with the #1 play to earn XRP game, I'll leave a link in the description below this video. You just click the button, put in your best email address, watch the videos on the other side. One of them is 8 minutes, and then there's a few more videos for you guys to check out. And then we have even more videos coming showing you how to maximize your crypto earnings in less than 10 minutes per day. So you can plug in with our Telegram, stay up to date when those videos are dropped. But in the meantime, you can get started right now. We're not going to hold you back. And in less than 10 minutes, you can learn how you can start earning crypto rewards, because this project is just getting started. It's already up at 2x. So if you guys would have capitalized on this when I first talked about it, you'd be winning big time. That's why it pays to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification, like these videos, because I'm going to keep bringing projects to the table that I believe could do well. Now, that doesn't mean all of them will. Obviously, no one shoots 100%. And if we go into a full-fledged altcoin bull run after Bitcoin breaks out, then it's the perfect storm of opportunity. Because if you look at this chart right here, the Gaussian channel for altcoins has recently switched to green, one of the most important indicators. And if you're not bullish after Trump's speech, then we can't help you. Soon you'll see why. The last time that it turned green right here was exactly when I circled the point on the chart when we went from orange to yellow in terms of the days until the next halving. And the yellow was the most explosive wave for Elliott Wave number 3. So if we are in Elliott Wave 3, or we're going into Elliott Wave 5 towards the end of this year or end of 2025, then the next move up is going to be massive. And it could be your last chance to make big money in this market, because if you're buying all the way up here, in 2021, even on this pullback, the gains that you're making on that double top is not that much, maybe another 2x, another 3x. So this is your last chance to make parabolic Elliott Wave 3 type gains, because now the Democrats are writing to the DNC asking to shift away from their anti-Bitcoin stance, responding to Trump speaking at the Bitcoin conference. If you look at this document right here, it says, we representing a range of Democratic official candidates for the House and members of Congress write to urge you to take a forward-looking approach to digital assets and blockchain technology. This area holds immense potential for American innovation, economic growth, and financial inclusion. Representing the emerging stance of the Democratic Party in the United States, leaders such as Chuck Schumer, Nancy Pelosi, and a majority of House Democratic leadership have recently supported pro-digital asset legislation. However, there's a public perception that the party holds a negative viewpoint on digital assets, largely due to the current SEC's approach to these transformative technologies. We believe this previous hostility does not reflect our party's progressive, forward-thinking, and inclusive values. A refreshed leader of the ticket represents an opportunity to change the perception. Over 52 million Americans have embraced digital assets, seeing them as a means to democratize finance, spur innovation, and create new economic opportunities. According to recent polls, 19% of voters have bought crypto, 19% self-identify as Democrats, 18% as Republicans, 24% of crypto-owning voters are independents. I don't know how accurate all of these data and statistic is, but data shows that digital assets are being adopted at higher rates among Gen Z compared to traditional financial products. So this is just the most bullish letter for the Democratic Party. So if the Republicans are bullish on crypto, if Democrats are bullish on crypto, those are the only two parties that are running for president in this country. What do you guys think is going to happen to the altcoin market? We're going to the freaking moon. And as you know, XRP is one of the largest altcoins. So what do you think is going to happen for XRP? You guessed it, my friend. We're going to the freaking moon. So a lot of people have asked me, what is my #1 way to earn massive crypto rewards this entire bull run before we get into the euphoria stage of the market cycle? Well, if you go to xrpl.to, you guys will see a lot of different altcoin projects listed on the XRP ledger. And virtually nobody knows about this, nor is anyone really paying attention to it right now because the price of XRP has been suppressed during the entire Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. But over the next few years, as Ripple and XRP gets more traction, a lot of the projects on the XRP ledger are going to gain a lot of attention. And one of my buddies showed me a project on the XRP ledger that is the first play to earn game on XRP where you're able to earn crypto rewards simply for playing the game. Now, if you guys want to see what that game is, what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below this video. All you have to do is click more when you scroll down. It'll show get started here. It'll take you to a page that looks like this. You simply just register, create a free account. You enter in your username, your email address, your password, and then your gender. And then you just click sign up at the bottom. And it's going to take you into the back office of the members area. Now, I want to explain really quick the benefit of playing this game to earn crypto rewards, because the coolest part about the game is the ticker of the altcoin is literally called crypto. It's a micro cap, very, very tiny project that virtually nobody knows about right now. And one of my buddies showed me this game and I'm already earning about 10 crypto per day, which is about 1,000 XRP. But there's no guarantee that you're going to earn 10 crypto per day or 1,000 XRP per day playing the game, depending at what level you come in at. So I want to be very clear that results aren't typical, and this is just purely for fun to see what happens for the rest of this bull run as the XRP ledger gains more adoption. So once you've created your free account through the link in the description below, the next thing that you're going to need is an XRP wallet. Now, the best wallet online right now is the Zaman wallet, and it's the largest and most secure XRP custodial cold storage wallet. So it's also a mobile app on your phone where you get your private keys for the wallet. It's comparable to a Ledger or a Trezor cold storage device, but the best for holding XRP. And this is what you're going to need to be able to play the game to earn crypto rewards. So again, below this video, you're going to see a tutorial video right here that it breaks down exactly how to set up your wallet, how to be able to fund it with XRP so you can start playing the game, and everything in between. So after you've created your free community account and you have your XRP wallet, the next step is to log in to the back office of your account. And at the top, you're going to see these 4 little icons right here. You simply click this. You go to My DGP, you scroll down and then you click Purchase Combo. In the bottom left, you're going to click this little plus icon so it shows 1 combo pack. Click these little 3 boxes right here and then you purchase with your XRP wallet. And then all you need to do is open up your Zaman wallet on your phone. Click this little icon right here at the bottom, and then you simply scan the code on the screen. It's going to pop up. Right now, it's 5,000 XRP to get your digital game pieces to be able to play the game and earn crypto rewards. And I'm going to show you the game in a little bit and how awesome it is, because the founder of this dumped millions of dollars in development into this game and has been working on it since 2020. So this is hands down the best play to earn game to earn crypto rewards on the XRP ledger. So I spent about 15,000 XRP on my digital game pieces because I want to be able to maximize the game. And so far, just recently, I'm earning 10 crypto per day, which is about 1,000 XRP per day. So you can do the math over the course of a month on what those rewards will look like. And I can swap crypto for XRP. So I'm just going to keep stacking my digital game pieces to maximize my crypto rewards, because you also have to take into account that crypto is the in-game currency. So as more people start catching on to the XRP ledger and they start playing the game to earn rewards, then the popularity of the crypto token will increase. So obviously there's no guarantees of any profits here, but you do not want to miss out on this as more people start learning about XRP over the next few years. So all I'm going to do to get my digital game pieces is slide to accept on my XRP wallet, and it says the payment was submitted successfully. Now all I'm going to do is refresh the page. I go to my DGP assets, that simply stands for digital game pieces, and you're going to see I got one Cryptopian, a crypto land, a box, a key, a vial, and a crystal. So I'm simply just going to click claim on each of these. I'm going to open my Zamin wallet again. I'm going to click this icon right here to scan the code on the screen, and I'm just going to slide to accept. And as soon as I've claimed my digital game piece, I'm going to click reveal, and it shows me what class this is in. And one of the coolest parts about this game is each of the digital game piece reveals are random, so you could get between a level 1 to a level 10. So I'm going to click claim to reveal the land now, and then I just scan the code and slide to accept on my XRP wallet. And it just shows this little countdown thing right here as it reveals which land I have. So as you can see, that was a level 1 land. You guys might get a different level. On a previous pack, I got a level 9. And depending on the level that you get determines the crypto rewards that you earn daily. Now, after you've revealed your digital game pieces to be able to play the game to start earning crypto rewards, in the top of your back office, you click the icon right here with the 4 squares. Then you simply click the game, and then you click the button on the center of the screen that says enter the game. And then you're going to see several in-game actions here like rent, mine, thieve, govern, rule, enhance, and bank. So depending on which avatar you got will determine whether you mine, you thieve, you govern, or you rule. And then for your land, you can collect rent on your land every single day in crypto, which is awesome. So in this case, I would click on thieve, click continue. So underneath available, I simply select my Cryptopian. I select the duration in days. In this case, it'd be 1. And then I click this little icon right here. It's going to pop up this, and it shows me the daily production. In this case is 0.4 crypto tokens. So depending on when you're watching this video, crypto might be at a different price. Right now it's at about $53. So all you need to do is confirm the action, and it's going to say it's processed successfully. And then it's underneath active, and it has a countdown timer right here in terms of time remaining until it goes back into the available section again. So you can see 23 hours and 59 minutes. Now, once this is done, my crypto balance is going to top up with an extra 0.4. Right now it's at about 44.39. And if I go back to the main page and I click on rent and click continue, you can see that I have an available land that I can collect rent on. So I simply select the land. I select the amount of days that I want it to collect rent, 1 day, 3 days, or 7 days. So this can be as passive or as active as you want, but I'm gonna click this icon right here. It's gonna pop up and it's gonna show me the daily production. And then I just confirm the action. Now you can see underneath active, I have a level 1, level 4, level 8, and a level 9. And then it shows me the time remaining on each of these land pieces that are collecting rent right now in crypto rewards, which is awesome. And so at the bottom of the screen right here, you can see crypto total net. That's about 14.96 crypto tokens. So let's just round that up to 15. And if I were to swap 15 crypto for XRP, it's about 1,554 XRP. Now that's obviously not a guarantee that you're going to earn the same amount of crypto tokens, because as you can see, I have more pieces of land here because I decided to purchase more packs because I want to be able to stack up the amount of crypto tokens I earn over time throughout the rest of this entire bull run before we get into the euphoria stage. So I'm just going to continue to stack crypto tokens, playing this game for fun, because as more attention gets drawn over to the XRP ledger, I can see more and more users playing crypto land for fun every single day to earn crypto rewards. So again, all you need to do right now to get started is go into the link in the description below this video, create your account. Once you have your Zamin XRP wallet and you've loaded it with XRP, following the tutorial below, then the back office, you click the icon at the top, you click My DGP, and then you purchase your combo pack to be able to reveal your digital game pieces. So you can buy one or you can buy multiple right now, because the more combo packs that you get, the more pieces of land that you're going to be able to collect rent on each and every single day. And then if you choose to get the crypto token on the secondary market, that's up to you. Or you can just play the game for fun to be able to earn crypto rewards like I'm doing right now. So once the time expires on each of these active pieces of land, I'm going to collect all of the rent in crypto, and it's going to top up my balance right here where you can see 44. So check it out. I know you guys are going to absolutely love it. And again, we're going to have a tutorial as well too on some different strategies, beginner, intermediate, and advanced, to be able to maximize this game. That way you can benefit the entire bull run as XRP explodes. So all you need to do right now is click the links below. If you go to bullrunners.com, you're also going to get early alerts on explosive altcoins, daily market analysis videos for breaking news updates like this, and you'll discover our best ways to be able to maximize the crypto land game to earn the most amount of crypto rewards this entire bull run. Because together, we believe that the spending power of the dollar is just going to keep going down in value. That's a fact based on inflation. Blockchain technology, distributed ledger technology, and cryptocurrencies have been going up in value over the past decade. That's the truth, and together, we're all going camping on the beaches of the moon. I'll see you guys on the next video. I will see you on bullrunners.com through the links below. As always, you know what to do. Stay bullish.